Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to put a Google form link in your TikTok bio. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is going to enable us to go ahead and open up the main page right here. In this main page in the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for an account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is sign up for a Google account. If you already have one, just log in normally to your account. And once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So this is going to be the home page where we can take a look at all the options we can access. You can see we can get started creating a new form if we want. We can take a look at all the recent forms we have already created that we can manage and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, if you want to copy the link of your form first, if you do not already have a form, you can create it from right here, clicking the blank form option. That's going to open up this menu where you can get started giving your form a name. You can give it a description. As you can see, put some questions into it. I have already created my form, so it's right here. As you can see, a tutorial form for a video. I have a question with some answers and so on. And now if I want to copy the link, it's very easy. All I need to do is just go right here into the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, we can click the copy responder link option. But as you can see, first we need to publish the form. So before you can go ahead and paste your link to whoever wants to access it, you can go ahead and publish a form just clicking this button publish. And now anybody with the link is going to be able to access your form and give your responses. So once you have published the form, click the copy option right here. As you can see, we have copied the answer and the question, and now we can get started guys. So basically after copying it, we can now go ahead and paste it wherever we want. We can paste it to our TikTok bio, and wherever we want this, we have just copied, people are going to be able to access our form, after which we're going to go and be able to take a look at the responses right here and so on. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.